Hello viewers, let's see how we can install Call of Duty Mobile from Play Store on Android. So let's begin.
So the Call of Duty Mobile official version has been released for Android as well as iOS devices. So to install it is really simple. In case if you have been seeing the tutorials online to install the Call of Duty Mobile on your Android devices, from the Play Store you might be seeing that those people are giving you different websites link to download this game and download APK and then go for and turn on the unknown application sources and install the APK. So that is all the bullshit because there is a large probability that those are viruses or there may be privacy concerns when you are installing those apps. So you need to only install the official app that has been uploaded on the Play Store by the official Activision Private Limited. That is the developer of this game. So if you go to the official website of this Call of Duty Mobile, like if you search for Call of Duty Mobile on your web browser, and on any search engine, the first link you would be seeing is callofduty.com/mobile. And if you tap on this, so here it would be showing you all the details of what this game is about as well as the links to download this game. So that, for example, if you scroll down here below, you would not be seeing those website links that the people are giving you on different tutorials. What you would be seeing it saying is sign up on Google Play, and here we have Google Play Store link. So if I open it, so this would open the Google Play Store, and here I would be directed directed directly to that app by Activision. So this is the Activision publishing Call of Duty Mobile. Don't go for any other apps. So here you can just go and tap on install and it would start installing your game. In either case, if you directly go to your Google Play Store and here search in for Call of Duty Mobile, Call of Duty Mobile, like this one, you would also get this game by the Activision publishing. So this is the game, and here just go and tap on install and the installation process would be automatic. Make sure that you have at least 3 to 4 GB of free space and you have at least 1 GB of data available. So hope it has helped you in installing the Call of Duty Mobile on your Android devices from Play Store. But before you go, please like, subscribe and share. Thank you.